Hey, hi, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the September late code challenge problem. The problem is construct string from binary tree. So basically given the root of the binary tree and construct a string consisting of parentheses and integer from a binary tree with the pre-ordered traversal way and return it. And omit all the empty parentheses that do not affect the one-to-one mapping relationship between the string and the original binary tree. So basically what I'll do that basically as an example of that 1 2 3 4. So 1, that is 2 and 3, and that is 4. So what I'll do that first 1, then 2, then 4, then after that the 3, maybe hold on. 1 2 4, okay, hold on, just it give me, and that is when there is a left child, that is goes to that, okay, 2 and then goes to there. So basically 1, then starting, then 2, hold on, 1 2, then 4, then it has been completed, then after that 3. That is the uh, traversal basically. Yeah, that is. So basically that is how I'm trying to do that. Basically my approach is that first I will check that the root value is null or not. Check root value null or not. If there is a null, then it will be, is it a null, then it will be return the basically that empty string. And otherwise case, first I will check that when it is entering into the left child. So before into entering into the left child, I will taking a string and that I insert into there, and then after that I will call the recursive call, that is root left. And then after that I have been basically that crossing the closing loop, and as it will be occurred for their right child also same. If there is a right child, then first we will have to check that if the left child is empty or not. If there is an empty, then after that, that will be the string will be entered, that basically the opening and closing bracket both, and otherwise case, and basically that otherwise case, the string will be that goes to adding same case as like that left child, and the string is value will be basically that solve root right, and the closing bracket, basically that one. That's how I'm trying to calling my function recursively one after another to make that traversal completed, to make the string format. So first it will that root value, then after that it will basically insert that the value root value, then after that it will check that the left value are not present or not. So first, then starting 2, but it has a left child, so it will goes to their same here 4. So left is null, so my traversal has been completed. So there is basically for fourth case there has been uh, empty case for there, basically that will a closing bracket, and after that when there is that is also closing bracket for there, but it is a right child, so that is why the opening bracket, that is opening bracket, then 3, and then the closing bracket. That is how I've been trying to implement the logic there. So right now I'm trying to implement there. Okay, hold on, just I am checking all the node basically. So order of n is the time complexity, where the n is the number of node, and h is the space complexity, is order of h, basically the stack space complexity, basically the height of the tree, basically. So right now I'm trying to implement the logic there. If root, and after that I call there Okay, hold on. String str, that is empty, and solve. I am making a function basically. So what is that? Root and str, and after that I will return the str. So I'll make that right now the solve function basically. Str. So first I will check that. First I will check that if the root, then return, otherwise if I'll check that. Okay, I'll add that str plus is equals to root val, making that two string. So after that I will check that the left value has been present or not. First, then after that I'll add the left button and solve the root left and the str, and then after that str plus, when the traversing has been completed, then adding there, and after that if the root right there, if root left is null, in that case I will add there both of them, and otherwise I will add the same condition for there as like that the left adding. Solve root right and str, and then after that adding the that one. So right now I'll have to check that my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it's got accepted. Let me check that for the second case, second example basically. Yeah, it's got accepted for a. So right now I'm trying to submit there. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.